In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send meeting requests but disable responses in Outlook if you manage large events or want to avoid a flood of accept and decline emails. Turning off responses on your Outlook invitations is a simple way to keep your inbox clean while still keeping everyone informed. I'll show you how to do this in Outlook on the web, and along the way, I'll explain what each step does so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Outlook in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. We'll be working in the calendar, so head to the calendar view. You can find it along the left side of the screen. Clicking it switches you from mail to your schedule. Next, locate the meeting you want to update. You can do this in day, work week, or week view, whichever you prefer. Click the meeting on your calendar to open its details. If it's part of a recurring series, decide whether you want to change just this one occurrence or the entire series when prompted. Either choice works with this setting, it's entirely up to your needs. Now, click Edit to open the meeting in the full editor. This is where you normally adjust the title, time, attendees, and description. We're going to focus on the response setting that controls whether attendees are asked to send an accept, tentative, or decline back to you. Look for the response option in the toolbar at the top of the editor. It may appear as response options depending on your layout. Open that menu and you'll see a checkbox labeled Request Responses. Uncheck Request Responses. With this turned off, Outlook will no longer prompt invitees to send you a response. Attendees will still receive the invitation and can add it to their calendars, but you won't get individual reply emails, and tracking may show as no response required. This is great for announcements, webinars, or any meeting where you don't need to tally RSVPs. A couple of quick tips. If you rely on attendance tracking, remember that disabling responses means you won't see who clicked accept or decline. Consider adding a note in the meeting description with any essential instructions or a separate registration link if you still need headcount. Also, interface wording can vary slightly between Outlook versions, but the key setting is always called request responses. If you change your mind later, you can edit the meeting again and re-enable it. That's it, clean, fast, and effective. By turning off responses, you keep your calendar organized and your inbox distraction free while still keeping everyone in the loop.